Good morning, my name is Michael Doyon and this is a construction update. After 3 long weeks of unrelentless rain and construction delays, Macinich Construction and J.E. Dunn are finally back to work. I'd like to introduce Tim Hurley. He's a project manager for J.E. Dunn for our site, and he's going to tell you what's going to happen in the next couple weeks with construction. Tim?
Thanks, Mike. What we're hoping to do, with weather permitting, right now we're starting a building pad, raise that building pad up. It has to come up about 4.5 feet from where you see it at the bottom down here behind me. Hopefully we've solved a lot of the water problems. We've dug a French drain that'll take the water out and we can pump it out now. Next week, by the end of next week, we're hoping to have our geopier drillers showing up and start drilling the geopiers, which is rock. They drill a hole, they put rock in there, and they pack it down and bring it up, and then we'll put the foundation. About a week after that, we'll put a foundation around that. Builds right on that, the concrete foundation. Through that, then we'll have our mechanicals, which will be some plumbing and electrical contractors to put the underground plumbing, electric, whatever needs to be installed under the slab. And once the slab's done, hopefully we'll have the steel going. And that's about all I got right now.
Sounds pretty good, Tim.
Thank you.
I know there's not a lot of construction equipment out here right now. Can you explain that a little bit?
Well, right now we got some more. More is actually on its way right now. Because of the floods they actually put a ban on any heavy equipment moving from Minnesota to Missouri east of 35. And yes, I know we're only stuck about 8 miles east of 35, but they cut the ban on it. But they lifted it last night, so the equipment's on its way, and more equipment should be showing up.
Thanks, Tim.
Thank you, Mike.
That's all I have for today. Look forward to this weekend's video update where there will be a lot of changes in store. Have a great week.